Hey everybody, welcome back to the Flyin Miata Garage. In today's installation video, we're going to cover the NC gas cap holder. All right, to get started, let's go over the components of the kit. It's actually just two. And as far as tools, you're going to just need a few flanges. So with that said, let's begin. Now, before we begin the installation, we need to look at a common occurrence on the NC gas cap lids. Now, this sheet metal is pretty thin, and if someone leans up against it, it can actually push the skin in, and that will hinder our installation. So we want to check that out, and I'm going to show you how to look for it and how to fix it. So if you look real close at our lid here, you can see this back edge is actually recessed relative to the body metal. And what that means is this outer skin is too close to the frame of the lid itself. And we need to rectify that. So we're actually going to just kind of put our fingers in there and using our thumbs gently push that skin back out. And then we'll shut it. And see right there, we're nice and even. So this is a good starting point for our installation. So now let's actually get our parts installed. So we're going to start with the main piece that looks like this. We're going to take this large rectangular tab, and we're going to kind of have it facing down. And we're going to work it in until it fits into the lid opening as such. Now we're going to rotate it clockwise as we drop it down. Now this can take a bit of effort. And our ultimate goal, to say that it's fully in place, is we want this flat edge of the piece to line up with this flat edge of the frame. So we're maybe just a hair off still. Okay. I think that will do it. Now we're going to take our second piece. Now it does have a little bit of a notch across the top. That's intended to fit underneath this bent edge. So we're going to stick that side in first. Now we'll drop it down. Now this is meant to be a nice tight interference fit because we don't want it popping out. In fact, this is about the last time you have to go backwards because once it's in, it is really hard to get out. So we're going to just take two thumbs, snap it in, and you're done. So now we'll give it a quick test. So this edge of the cap will ride in this groove here. There you go. All right, the last step is optional, but we highly recommend it, and that is to deal with the tether. The tether in this case no longer serves a purpose, and honestly, it's more likely to just get in the way. So we're going to go ahead and remove it. The other reason you might consider removing it is in a very small percentage of these installs, we have found that the tether can interfere slightly with the new gas cap holder. So getting rid of it, again, solves that issue. So depending on how old yours is, if yours is super brittle, it may break, but typically it just involves getting your thumb underneath it and kind of rolling it around because it's just a little barb. And you can do the same thing on the metal portion. Easy as that. And now we're done. All right, thanks everybody for joining us as we installed this NC gas cap holder. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it, comment, and subscribe. In the comments, let us know what kind of videos you'd like to see in the future. Thanks again for your attention, and we'll see you next time.